today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock the ice maker and the water dispenser on the Whirlpool freezer, okay? Now, say for instance you have children around and you don't want them coming up and pressing this button that dispenses ice and water. You can actually lock this feature, and you do so by walking up to the refrigerator, and then you see this button right here, it says lock. I'm just gonna tap that and hold it. It says hold for 3 seconds. 1, 3. And you see that the lock comes on. And now that the lock is on, you press the button and nothing comes out for the ice and water dispenser. Now to turn it back on, I'm just gonna hold this for additional 3 seconds until that light goes off. And now I'm able to use the ice maker and water dispenser. See, I just made a mess. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.